Hey, what's up, honeycrunchers? It's me, Jham, and welcome back to honeycrunch321. Today's video is in collaboration with Cali from 360nails, and both of us decided to do a floral nail art for spring. Don't forget to check out her channel to see her nail art tutorial. Okay, so let me show you guys how I did this easy glittery floral pattern nail art. First things first, I'm applying 2 coats of my favorite peel-off base coat. Then I'm applying a layer of white nail polish. After letting that to dry, I'm applying 2 coats of pastel purple onto my nails. Then, after letting that to completely dry, I'm using a dotting tool and I'm applying 5 white dots with white. Then I'm applying yellow dots in the middle of each floral patterns. Then I'm applying dots with gold glitters. After letting that to dry, I'm applying my favorite top coat. And that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed this nail art and I hope you can recreate this too. If you guys enjoyed today's video, don't forget to hit like, share this video to your awesome friends, and subscribe. Follow me on Instagram to get the latest updates and more. And that's it for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching and I'll see you on my next video. Stay safe. Bye!